Hey everyone, so today I'm here to eat this cheese naan, cheese naan at this place called RSMY. So let's go. You are Plaza Crystal Villas Tapak. Okay, so you come in here, that's where you will find this RSMY. You're going for cheese naan, can you see? Let me just zoom in. There, we are going there for cheese naan, RSMY. Wait.
No, I send to you photo later. I got.
No, I'm taking video.
Oh, okay.
So that is a garlic cheese naan. This is curry lamb, right?
This is kambing mutton rogan.
Mutton rogan. Mutton rogan looks not bad. The mutton rogan, and I've ordered the garlic cheese naan here. And so mine is a normal cheese naan without the garlic. Okay, I ordered the tandoori chicken. So tandoori chicken usually comes with this what is this spices this is a dipping sauce, right? This tandoori chicken looks okay lah on the outside. Let me try it. Taste it. Okay, this one is. Let me try with it. There you go. The mint wasn't overpowering. Usually they serve like onions like this. You just put the mint. That's how you eat. I got some on my plate. Now it's the plain lassi. Okay, good. Or sour at least. Sometimes I tell them don't put sugar, don't put salt. They still do. It's not good. Plain. I like to drink plain. So if you are around corner the Tapak and come to this place, RSMY, they claim themselves as the best cheese naan around town. And so far I have to agree with them. Unless I go back to Mecca, then there's another different story. I have my own favourite in Mecca. But if you're talking about KL, something in Tapak, I think this is decent. So come and visit them, alright, and order their cheese naan. This is Kenny here, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.